Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage the attendance of your group on the Additio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Evaluation and Groups. Tap on one of your classes and click on this menu icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on Attendance, which is the first one. And here next to the student's name you can find today's date. And if you tap on this green circle, you can indicate whether that person is present or absent by tapping on the relevant button. The green one indicates presence, the red one indicates absence. You can also mark tardiness, meaning that if that person was late from your class, you can also indicate it, or when the absence is justified, so when you've got a note from it or a receipt, you can also indicate it by this button. So, and when it's tardiness that's justified, you can also select that option. If you tap on the summary, you can check out that particular student's attendance. Here you can find the percentages. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.